Welcome to the wonderful world of Floodescape. And you know what they said? Because it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Yay. Hey, friends. That's what they said, you know. Let's go ahead and get these. And let's actually not use a coil for this run. And just to see how my no coiling has improved. We're just going to use no coil. Obviously, we're here with a bunch of bots. Nothing new. And I bet you I'm still better than 100% of the people here. Canuber maybe is better than me, because I do speed glitch wins some of the times, but I normally don't do speed glitch because I'm in public servers and I don't want to get outed. No items percent. Obviously my skills are not too good, but at least there's still something, and I know how to do vertigo without a coil. Hey man, that's up to me on September. Last September. It's that's in 2 months, which is actually kind of crazy. I could really just do this. Dang it, I missed it. And also I forgot I'm not supposed to use items this run. Also, sometimes I like to troll and I like to ask, like whenever somebody actually types in chat, which is rarely, I like to say, by the way, do you know how you can get the gravity coil? And it's just funny. Alright, well, we're gonna laugh clip out of here. Oh. Dang it. Bro, are you seriously that trash? Like, seriously. Let's spawn the winners and we're here. We're good. Canuber. Where's Canuber? Alright. Canuber, send for depressed. Where is that dude? I'll start vertigo, red and blue. You know, just the ones where I know shortcuts, where a lot of people probably don't. Yo, I just hit a clip. Ooh, bruh. Nah, thirsting in Roblox Floodescape is crazy. I'm gonna say that in chat. Sorry, I just had to take the shortcut. Bruh, they really thirsting in Roblox Floodescape. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and reset. Canuber hasn't accepted my friend request. Where's Canuber? Oh, there you are. He's going into hard. Come on. Come on, Canuber. We're going into hard. Josh even is. Nah, I ain't with that. The best players don't use coils. You'll realize that very quickly as soon as you search up Floodescape on YouTube and see me, because I'm like the first thing that shows up whenever you search up Floodescape Classic, because like I'm the only Floodescape Classic YouTuber, like one of a kind, bro. That I'm so rare. And yet I still have better thumbnails than like most Roblox YouTubers. But now we're gonna talk about that. Wait. Okay. Let's go ahead and wait for them to go ahead and catch up. Obviously, this is pretty easy. I'm just using some simple techniques that'll make me better. But yeah. I could really just get like 3 wins real quick with like speed, glitch, and clip. Like, do it in every category and then just leave and join a new server. It could be like that. Hard, Canuber. Alright, so they're about to get there. There you go. I just went ahead and escaped real quick. And you know, I think that's where I'm gonna end it. I don't wanna embarrass myself any further. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.